TFNN, the Tiger Financial News Network. TFNN, headline news update.
Good morning, everyone. Basil Chapman. This is the Tiger Financial News Network market update. We're looking at the Dow at 10 o'clock, down 40 at 44,518. It's a slightly higher high than yesterday. Yesterday was a slightly higher high than Monday's low, that tariff scare low. And now we're looking at least an attempt at a comeback. But we've got the S&P, so the Dow was much better than the other indices for a couple of days. Now the S&P is down 11 at 6,026. Had a pretty good day yesterday. Weekly chart, we'll talk about that Friday, but so far it's doing pretty well. Let's go to the QQQ, because that's really important. QQQ right now down $1.74 at 522.64. This is the NASDAQ 100. And it would be better if they were at the 526 level. They really not doing all that great, but the weekly chart is still pretty good. Let's go to the IWM. And this is what I've been talking about for months now. I've been saying at some point we need to see in 2025, certainly in the first couple of months, that there's a rotation into the small caps, the iShares Russell 2000 ETF. Well, today they're up 93 cents at 227.93. It's a little better, but you can't have this rotation. One day it's better than the next day. A couple of days it's worse. This has to be a decent move to the upside. I want to see 233 by Friday. Let's go to the gold. Gold right now is at an all-time high, up 20 at 28.96. Leg C in the weekly chart, leg D in the monthly, just absolutely excellent action. The dollar obviously is pulling back, and the dollar is down 48 ticks at 107.48. That double top, I think, is going to stay there for a little while. Let's go to the bonds, because this is very important. Look at the bonds, up $1.50 at 116 and 536, exactly what we were looking at the other day. I said, if this is going to be a decent rally, you want to see this move continue higher, and hopefully we can even call this a Chapman Wave instant restart. So it's an alternate count. Wow, that's nice to see the yields coming down. Let's go to crude oil. Crude oil right now is trading down sharply, of course, with the Middle East having a little bit of a quietness there. You can see that the crude oil is not doing very much, down 86 cents at 71.84. So this is going to be a very important moment for a number of reasons. I'll talk about that when I come back for the Tiger Technicians Hour. That's number one. And number two is within the